In this section, I've listed information about public reference datasets. So you can see if you scroll down that on GCP there are some public datasets, including 1,000 genomes and lots of other datasets that you might use in your research as reference. So the datasets are available in two different locations. They're available as a public bucket in Google Cloud Storage. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. And they're also available as a BigQuery file storage location. BigQuery is a service we'll be looking at in the next section of this course. And BigQuery allows you to write SQL queries against file-based data. So you can see there's two links here in the GitHub pages, and I've actually just opened them so we can take a look at what kind of files are available for you. So if we click on this public bucket on GCP, notice you don't have to select any project because this is a public bucket. Anyone who's signed in can see the information here. We have a number of folders, and we start with 1,000 Genomes Phase 3, and we then get into some more specific type of samples, such as GATK images, and this would be from the Broad's GATK tools. And then we can have some other tools from some other people who are commercial providers. We have Platinum Genomes, and then we have some universities, so we have UCSC as an example. So if we were to go in to take a look at the types of files that there are here in the test data, for example, of course it's DNA data, and this is a WGS, and it's HiSeq 2500 for NA12878. And you can see that we've got BAM files, so unaligned BAM files. Now some of the other folders have VCF files, so again it depends on what you're doing in your research in terms of what kind of reference you want. But this is a great starting point, and of course the big advantage is when you're running your research on GCP, you don't have to upload this. It's already on the GCP ecosystem. Now, as I mentioned before, as an alternative to pulling this information out of cloud storage, you can also use BigQuery storage. So we'll be looking at how BigQuery works in just the next movie here. But in this movie, you can see on the left side, we have over here the data sets. And under human genome variants, I've just opened up 1,000 Genomes Phase 3, and you can see the schema of the table. You can see details about this. So you can see it's a 5 terabyte table with 84 million rows. So again, non-trivial that it's already up on the GCP ecosystem, so you don't have to upload it. And then you can see a preview of the table in the first row, and then you can understand if this is going to work for your particular use case.